If you think no one cares about what you do for a living, think again. Yep, the ATO cares, and they're watching you. Hi, I'm Chris from Empower Accounting, and it's my goal to make sure you don't get in trouble with the ATO. While they may not seem like it, the ATO care about what you do. They are that interested in you and those that you work with that they want you to tell them how much you pay your subbies and contractors. At the time of recording, it is mandatory for businesses in the building and construction, cleaning and courier businesses to report on all payments you make to all of your contractors. The info you need to report includes the ABN, the name, address, and the total amount you paid them. The main thing to look out for here is the GST component. We have seen the ATO target contractors who put GST on their invoices but aren't actually registered. So it's worthwhile checking your subbies ABN details on the Australian Business Register. Most good accounting packages will have a Taxable Payments Report built into the program, but it is always important to review the info to make sure it's accurate. These reports need to be lodged by the 28th of August every year. The ATO are reviewing this info to ensure that all contractors are lodging their returns correctly. So to avoid a friendly call from the tax man, we highly recommend staying on top of these reports. And be sure to get some advice from your accountant if you're unsure about your reporting obligations. If you found this video useful, maybe your friends in the building game would too. Please don't be afraid to share it with them. And I'll see you in the next video.